Welcome back at noon. Angie Horkan from the Wisconsin Beef Council is here. Good to see you, Angie.
Yes, you too.
And what are we cooking up today?
So I picked a couple recipes since Valentine's Day is right around the corner. It's that season of love that I thought maybe were kind of nice if you wanted to have a dinner in.
There you go.
So I've got a really nice quick and easy steak recipe with a red wine pan sauce, and then kind of a little bit different but more of a slow cooker or pressure cooker country style ribs. So let's start with the steak though. What I did was I just sauteed up a couple strip steaks in my skillet, and then I had all those great drippings and beef bits in here. So I took one package of cremini mushrooms sliced, did a little bit more extra virgin olive oil, and I've just kind of been sauteing these here, a couple minutes, 4 or 5 minutes, just to soften. Then we're gonna deglaze the pan with some red wine. So I'm using a flat wood skillet or spatula, and I'm kind of just real scraping up all the flavor that's on my skillet.
Good, yes.
Right. So you don't have to use red wine if you're not a wine drinker, don't have that in the house. You could use beef stock, so extra beef stock. That was a half a cup of wine, and then I am going to add like a third of a cup of beef stock or broth, and then the secret ingredient, a third of a cup of heavy whipping cream.
Oh, okay.
A little garlic. Okay. So bring this up to a little bit higher heat, get my flame going, kind of stir it up. It will thicken. It doesn't take very long. 4 to 5 minutes, that cream thickens in there. Oh, it's so good. Can you smell that?
I can smell it. It smells so good.
I know. So let's give that a couple minutes. Then the ribs, so a little bit different cut, non-traditional, but it's a country style rib, boneless. I did them in a stock pot right on my stove top. A slow simmer. They need to be tenderized. They're not tender, more economical cut. But I tossed them with some mirin, sweet chili garlic sauce, a little honey, brown sugar, fresh ginger, so they got that Asian real fun flavors, and then at the end a little lime juice and a little soy sauce.
Ooh, that sounds good.
And then you can take them out of your stock pot, or if you do them in the slow cooker or pressure cooker, take them out and use that cooking liquid and thicken it. 5-10 minutes and kind of pour that over the top so you get a really nice glaze with that honey in there. I just have it over some brown rice, but whatever you'd like to serve it with.
It's kind of nice. You can kind of make your options, right?
You definitely can. That's kind of nice all winter. It's that warm, hearty kind of, makes the kitchen smell really good.
Perfect for this time of year.
Perfect for this time of year. So we've got steak option, we've got a country style rib option for the viewers. So check out beeftips.com. I picked out some other recipes that I think are really perfect this time of year too. So you can find them on the As Seen on TV page.
Yeah, it's a busy time of the year. I mean, Valentine's Day, we got Super Bowl, all the things going on. And yeah, this is looking fantastic.
Yeah.
So, all right. Well, hey, Angie, we appreciate you.
Of course.
Thank you so much. And happy Valentine's Day.
Happy Valentine's Day.
Happy February. Happy everything. Again, they're beeftips.com, and you can find the Wisconsin Beef Council up on social media as well.